Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Sheets more visually exciting or highlight important data, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you step by step through how to insert shapes into Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add visual elements like arrows, circles, or boxes to your spreadsheets, making them clearer and a lot more engaging for anyone who's looking at your data. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Google Sheet where you want to add a shape. Now to get started, look towards the top of your sheet for the menu bar. You'll see an option called Insert. Go ahead and click on that. This drop-down menu has quite a few options, but what we want is Drawing. Click Drawing. What this does is open up a new window, kind of like a mini art studio right within your spreadsheet. And just a heads up, you're not editing the actual sheet here. You're working on a separate canvas that you'll bring back into your spreadsheet when you're done. Now in the drawing window, I want you to look at the menu bar right at the top. One of those icons looks like a circle overlapping a square. That's the shape icon. Give that a click. As soon as you do, you'll see a whole range of shape options pop up: rectangles, circles, arrows, pretty much all the basic shapes you might need for highlighting, pointing, or grouping information in your sheet. Take a second to browse through and pick the one that fits what you need. For example, if you're making a flowchart, you might want arrows. Or if you just want to highlight a number, a circle or box could work great. With your shape selected, your cursor will change when you bring it over to the blank canvas. This is where you actually draw your shape. Just click and drag on the canvas to create it. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. You can always grab the little blue nodes at the edges to resize or reshape it. This part might take a few moments to get it just right, especially if you want to make it a certain size or orientation. And if you change your mind, you can always pick a different shape and try again. Now maybe you want that shape to stand out even more. You can add color, borders, or even some text inside the shape using the options in the toolbar. It's a bit like giving your data its own little spotlight. Play around with these options. There's no harm in experimenting, and you can always undo or start over if you're not happy with how it looks. Once everything's looking good and you're happy with your shape, look up at the top right corner of the drawing window and click Save and Close. That's it. Your creation will instantly pop right back into your Google Sheet as an image. You can even move it around or resize it in your spreadsheet just like you would with any other image. If you spot something you want to change, just click on the shape and hit Edit. It'll take you right back to that drawing canvas. And there you have it. You've just added a custom shape to your Google Sheet. It's a simple way to make your information pop, draw attention where it matters, and honestly, just make your spreadsheets a bit more fun to look at. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you want to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe for even more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck adding those shapes.